Welcome to your grain view tutorial on rehydration. Let's press the fan control button. To change mode, press the change mode button. Select rehydration and then press change mode. You will see a pop-up with a guide for rehydration mode. Hit close. At this point, nothing has been saved to the controller yet. The fan EMC range displays the values the system will use to turn the fans on and off. The yellow circle represents the minimum limit the system will use, and the blue circle represents the maximum limit the system will use. This is the target moisture that you set here to your desired moisture. Displayed here is the driest grain, and this represents the wettest grain in the bin. This represents the outdoor moisture. The EMC range will automatically adjust once you hit the save button below, and once the fans have successfully run. To set the target EMC, click this button and set your desired target. You can either click Save Now or click the Save button below. In this example, after a successful fan run time, the minimum EMC will be 12.2 and the maximum EMC will be 15.2. This is because the system will set the minimum to be plus 0.5% of your driest grain, and the max EMC is set to plus 3.5% of the bin's driest grain. You may click the Rehydration Help button to review this. Next, this is a fan temperature range. The yellow circle represents the minimum air temperature the system will use, and the blue circle represents the maximum air temperature the system will use. You'll have to set this range manually. Since we're setting this example on a warmer setting, we will set this to 50 to 80, and on spring times where it's cooler outside, you may set the range to 40 to 60. This symbol represents the current warmest and coldest grain in the bin. This represents the outdoor temperature, and this indicates the target temperature. In this example, we are trying to hydrate the beans. After 30 minutes of a successful fan run time, the system will look at the grain moisture and determine if it is time to narrow down the range. The system will keep repeating this process until the driest grain is plus or minus 0.5 of the target. We are now ready to save these changes. Press Save and click Turn On. You will see that the configuration is saved. Note that the fan EMC range and fan temperature range must both be in range for the fans to run. This concludes your tutorial on rehydration.